Hey, so for this DIY project you need your scissors, thread of course, and your pin cushion, and of course, shit, I dropped the pin. Oh shit. And your needle. Voila. But mostly with a pin of everything. Let's go into it, shall we? Oh fuck. Ah, where the hell did hair come from? Anyways, let's go into it. About to look hot. DIY on a budget. Here we go.
Lanika Fashionistas Core TV. Okay, so at this time you just need to fold over your sweater on the wrong side and then stitch along the inside seams. That way when you put on your dress it would have a much fitted look, ladies. Okay, so the bottom part of our dress is all done. So now it's time to focus on the top. So what I have here are the sleeves. So we are going to pin the almost section of the sleeves right onto the underbust. Right there, guys. I know we all got different size boobs, don't worry, but just pin it when you have it on and it would be pretty simple. Okay, so now it's time to work on the back straps of the dress. So I definitely didn't want to leave it like this. So what I end up doing is I end up doing a crossover at the center back. This was more stylish, it was more sexy, and it gave the dress a completely different look. Okay, at this time you need your glamorous rhinestone and your glue. You can use a glue gun or an E6000 glue. So what we're going to do, we're just going to glue these rhinestones on right in the center front bust. So once you're finished doing that, the dress should look exactly like this. And that's our back view. Gorgeous. Now the front. We have a problem at the front, ladies. So this is how we are going to fix it, because we don't want those boobs jumping out in public. Now do we? Wouldn't be a good look. So we are just going to do a slip hem right at the center bust, just to hide those boobs so they don't go jumping about in public. So after getting your needle and matching color thread, this is where we are simply just going to sew the lips together. I call it the lips. But actually we are just easily just sewing the ends together just like that, loop over loop, and it won't be shown. That's why it's called a slip stitch. It's easily hidden to hold hems together. And make sure you pin those sections in places. We are all done. Wow, do you see how completely different that looks? Do you see? I love this. Now what I want to do is I want to add some more rhinestones to that section where we did the slip stitch. So I'm just going to create a diamond shape at the top, and then we're just going to fill in that space like a puzzle. OMG. I am so in love with how this dress turns out. It is so red and fiery and sexy and breathtaking. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please subscribe. to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and remember to comment and share, and stay tuned for more weekly DIY fashion videos. I have more videos coming up that I can't wait to share with you guys. Love. Mwah.